Hello, we are from Grade 7. We will be presenting about the polymer design case study. For the problem statement, the objective of this molecular polymeric product design problem is to identify polymer repeat unit structures that can coat cookware materials like aluminum to be resistant to heat at high temperatures, chemical reaction, and corrosion, and be easy to clean.
So this is requirement for our case study. First requirement is property constraint. For maximum cooking temperature is 573 Kelvin, less transition temperature 297 Kelvin, yang modulus 0.3 to 0.6 GPa, amorphous density 1 to 2.4 gram per centimeter cube, and second requirement is structural constraint. This is the basis set given for our case study. So moving on to ICAS. First, we choose acyclic for our compound, and we generate isomer so that our compound is being generated. Next, we generate compound containing fluorine because in our base set they are fluorine compound. So this show the basis set, but not complete yet because in the requirement we need to have HCClF. So we click edit group and find HCClF and click this and OK. Next, for backbone generation, minimum and maximum is 2 because polymer repeat units must have 2 free attachment. Next, minimum number of group and maximum number of group. We choose 4 because monomer have 4 group. And minimum and maximum number of functional group. We choose 1 and 3 to follow the requirement in the case study. And we click perform database search after generation. Next, move to non-temperature dependent and click properties. Enter the value for requirement given 297 and 1 to 2.4 and click OK and run the ICAS. So number of compound design is 55 and number of compound selected is 7.
Okay, so from our generation, result generation, we got 55 compound, and then we get a 7 compound which is shown in the ICAS. So for example, in compound 6, CF2, okay, we click Propret. Okay, so in the Propret, we can see the chosen molecule, which is CF2, is shown that it is a polymer repeat unit. So it's actually answering the question. And next, we check the TG value for the compound, which is we take the value from the group contribution based on Marrero and Gani from the property prediction, where it says a TG is equals to 306.73 Kelvin, which is above to the required glass transition temperature that is needed in the compound. Okay, so for comparison, we managed to get 3 compounds that are similar to the table that are produced by the textbook as reference. However, the value of TG is different than the given that is produced by the Propret than the given value in the textbook. For example, like CF2, in the textbook, it states that it is 3 to 2.82 Kelvin. However, in the Propret, we just do it and we get 306.73. So it has a difference of a value of 16.09. Okay, for the next compound that are generated from the CMD, which is compound 7. So we click PropRed, and then it will generate the properties for the compound that we chosen that have been generated from the ICAS. So it still noted that it is stated that it is a polymer repeating unit. So we can see the attributes at the polymer. Yep. Okay, at TG, both values shows that one is 261.79 and one is 276.42, which is below the required value that are needed in the case study, which is 297 Kelvin. So basically, this compound can be removed from our selection as it doesn't satisfy the requirement that is needed. So this shows that what constraint that we are chosen before at CAMD at the general problem control. So basically, I think we chose the right value for all of it because it gives the polymer repeating unit and also the value for TG that are based on the requirement. However, we still didn't get the amount of compound that are generated in the textbook, which states that they generated 63 compound and only 37 is selected. But however, we only managed to generate 55 and only 7 are selected. Okay. That's all from us. Thank you.